Wow, look at the big bowl of tom kha gai. Hello, welcome to Home Cooking with Somjit. Today I'm going to cook tom kha gai soup or Thai coconut soup. I have 2 pieces of whole leg chicken cut into 5 pieces each. So I have 10 pieces of medium sized chicken, and this is a coconut milk. For coconut milk today I'm using a freshly squeezed coconut, so it gives a better taste. If you do not have a fresh coconut, you can use a coconuts from the box or the can and mix a bit with water. So just dilute it a little bit. And for the vegetable, I use white Shimeji mushroom, about 6 to 8 pieces of snap pea, quarter of red capsicum, and a bit of baby corn. This is totally optional. If you do not have this is fine. I just use whatever vegetable that I have available in my fridge, and I use 1 tomato, half of the yellow onion, and this for the soup. I have 1 lemongrass cut into 3 pieces. Today my lemongrass is quite big, so I just use 1. So for the lemongrass, I just need to cut it into this size and then just smash them, just to have the essence of the lemongrass goes into the soup. And this is a galangal. I cut into thin slices just like this, and I use about 6 to 8 pieces. 4 pieces of red bird eye chili, and I also smash them just to make sure that the spiciness come out from the chili. And cilantro roots, kaffir lime leaf, and these are the seasoning. I have 1 teaspoon of salt, 1.5 tablespoon of sugar, 2.5 tablespoon of lime juice, 2.5 tablespoon of fish sauce, and these are the garnishing. And for topping, it's totally optional for these two. It's a fried red chili and some chili oil, spring onion, cilantro leaf, and this is the green bird eye chili. I just picked the small ones and then just want to garnish on the top of the soup. If anybody want to have it more spicy, so they just take the chili and eat it just like that. Let's go and cook it. So I like to start off with marinate the chicken with salt. I'm going to use half of this salt. Put on the chicken and marinate them, just to have the chicken absorb some of the salt, and we have a bit of salty taste in the chicken. So I'm going to put the water in the pot, and I'm going to put in all these ingredients: lemongrass, galangal, cilantro roots, kaffir lime leaves. I'm going to just put in half of it, so we're going to keep another half for the later on. And the chili, and I'm going to bring the water to boil. Alright, the soup is boiling, so I'm going to put in the chicken. Put in half of the fish sauce, all the balance of the sauce, some the yellow onions we're going to put in now because it's will give a very nice flavor to the soup. And I'm going to cover the lid and let it cook until the chicken is soft. It will take about 15 to 20 minutes. So the soup has been boiling for about 17 minutes. 3 more minutes left. I'm going to add in the vegetable. The snap pea is a bit tough to cook, so I'm just going to put them in first, just to continue to cook. Alright, about 30 seconds go. So the chicken has been cooked for 20 minutes, so it's well cooked and it's soft. Now I'm going to reduce the heat into low heat and add in all the seasoning. So the fish sauce in, sugar, baby corn, and red capsicum. Add in tomato. So I have washed the mushroom and I'm just going to put it in. Just going to give it a stir. And now I'm going to pour in the coconut milk. When pouring in the coconut milk, need to make sure that we don't put the soup in the high heat, because we don't want to boil it vigorously, else the coconut milk will be separate the water and the coconut oil. We just continue to cook it in the low heat for about 2 to 3 minutes until the mushroom and the coconut is cooked. Alright, coconut and the vegetable is already cooked. Now I'm going to switch off the heat and just going to put in the green chili just for topping. Some kaffir lime leaf. And the lime juice, I'm just going to put in half first, and then we need to taste it first. If it's too sour, then we don't need to add some more. So now I'm going to taste the soup. It's really nice, but I think the lime juice can go in all. And this is the fried dry chili. This is totally optional, but I'm just going to put in. If you don't have, it's fine. You just don't need to put it in. It looks very creamy, looks so delicious. Put a bit of spring onion and the chili oil. This is totally optional. You just want to put a drop for a nice color. Wow! Look at the big bowl of Tom Kha Gai or Thai coconut soup. Wow! Let's take one piece of chicken and some soup. It's so delicious. Enough taste with a bit of sour, a bit of sweet, a bit of salty, and the flavor of the coconut milk. It's really umami. I love it. And the soup, just drink the soup, it's already very nice. Wow. And the chicken is very tender. I really give it 2 thumbs up. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends. And remember to subscribe for more of my cooking video like this. Thank you and bye bye. I will continue to eat my Tom Kha Gai. Bye.